Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk about Rado Sintra watches. The Rado brand represents elegant and stylish watches, and the Sintra model is no exception. The case is made of ceramic, which makes the watch light and durable. The case size is 35 mm, which is suitable for a man's wrist. The watch is equipped with a sapphire crystal, which is resistant to scratches and damage. The bracelet is also made of ceramic, which adds an additional aesthetic effect to the watch. The watch mechanism is self-winding mechanics, which allows you to have a power reserve of 34 hours. The water resistance of the watch is limited by splash protection. The dial is in good condition and has no damage. Used but well cared for, fully serviced. All in all, the Rado Sintra is a stylish and reliable watch that will suit any casual look. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.